For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a snow cone business is an exciting opportunity to bring a refreshing treat to your community while creating a profitable venture. The great news is that today's free AI tools can simplify many of the complicated steps involved in launching and managing your business. From market research to branding, marketing, and operational planning, AI can help you work smarter, not harder, cutting costs and saving time. This guide lays out a detailed, step-by-step process to start your snow cone business, incorporating practical AI tools and example prompts you can use along the way. Step 1. Conduct market research to understand demand and preferences. Before you invest time and money, it's essential to research the market to identify who your customers are, what flavors they like, and where the best locations for your business might be. Free AI tools like ChatGPT can help you analyze the frozen treat industry and local trends efficiently. Start by asking ChatGPT to provide an overview of the market. Use a prompt such as, "Summarize current trends and popular flavors in the snow cone and frozen treat industry." This can reveal insights about what customers expect and which products are in demand. Additionally, you can ask for information about competitors or pricing strategies in your area. This research foundation will shape your business decisions and help you find a competitive edge. Step 2. Develop a comprehensive business plan. A business plan is a roadmap for your venture, outlining your objectives, target market, marketing approach, operations, and financial expectations. Writing one from scratch can feel daunting, but AI can make this easier. Use ChatGPT to help draft your business plan by giving a prompt like, "Create a detailed business plan for a snow cone business, including an executive summary, market analysis, marketing plan, operations plan, and financial projections." The AI will generate a structured draft you can customize with your specific details. A strong business plan not only guides your launch, but also helps if you seek financing or partners. Step 3. Choose a catchy business name and establish your brand. Your business name and brand identity are crucial for attracting customers and standing out. Use AI name generators like Namelix or simply ask ChatGPT for suggestions. For example, you could prompt, "Generate creative and fun business name ideas for a colorful snow cone stand." After you have a list of potential names, check domain availability for a website and secure your social media handles. Once the name is set, move on to designing your logo and visual materials. Canva offers easy-to-use free templates for logos, flyers, and social media posts tailored for food businesses. For unique logo concepts, you can try Doll-E, an AI image generator, by giving a prompt like, "Create a playful and vibrant logo featuring a snow cone with bright syrup colors." Strong branding helps customers remember you and builds trust. Step 4. Refine your product line with AI-generated flavor ideas. The heart of your snow cone business is the product itself, the flavors and quality of your treats. ChatGPT can assist by suggesting popular and innovative syrup flavors, including options that cater to dietary preferences, such as sugar-free or natural ingredients. You might ask, "Suggest popular and unique snow cone syrup flavors, including sugar-free and natural options." Experimenting with these ideas allows you to differentiate your stand and appeal to a wider audience. Keep track of customer preferences and be ready to adjust your menu accordingly. Step 5. Plan your location and operational setup. Where you sell your snow cones greatly influences your success. Will you operate a mobile cart, a fixed kiosk, or attend events and festivals? Use ChatGPT combined with local demographic data to analyze potential locations. A prompt such as, "Identify high foot traffic areas in your city suitable for selling snow cones, considering weather and seasonality," can provide useful insights. This step helps you choose spots where customers are most likely to buy your product. Also, outline your daily operations, staffing, even if it's just you initially, and supply chain logistics. Clear operational planning ensures smooth day-to-day management. Step 6. Set competitive and profitable pricing. Setting the right price balances, attracting customers, and covering your costs while making a profit. Use AI to assist in pricing strategy by inputting cost details and competitor prices. For example, prompt ChatGPT. Help me develop a pricing model for snow cones based on ingredient costs, equipment expenses, and market prices in my area. The AI can help you calculate prices that reflect your expenses and what customers are willing to pay, ensuring sustainability. Step 7. Create a marketing strategy leveraging AI content creation. Marketing your snow cone business effectively will build awareness and drive sales. Free AI tools can generate engaging content ideas and campaigns. Ask ChatGPT to create a social media plan by prompting. Generate a 1-month social media marketing plan for a snow cone business, including promotional ideas, post captions, and customer engagement tips. You can also use Canva to design promotional graphics, flyers, and social media posts that match your branding. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are great places to showcase your colorful snow cones and attract followers. Combining AI-generated content with your creativity can maximize your reach. Step 8. Establish your online presence with AI-assisted website creation. Even a small food business benefits from an online presence. Use website builders like Wix or WordPress, which include AI-powered assistants to simplify design. Wix's ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, for instance, creates a website based on your answers to a few questions. To create website content, ask ChatGPT for help by prompting. Write homepage content for a snow cone business website highlighting freshness, variety, and local availability. Having a website builds credibility and helps customers find you easily. In summary, starting a snow cone business using free AI tools is a smart and cost-effective approach. From researching your market and crafting a business plan to designing your brand, marketing, and managing operations, AI can guide and accelerate your journey. These tools lower barriers, help you avoid costly mistakes, and enable you to focus on delighting your customers with delicious, refreshing snow cones. With thoughtful planning, creativity, and AI support, your snow cone business can thrive in any community. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.